In today's video, I am going to teach you how to suppress profiles in Klaviyo. Suppressing profiles is an important part of keeping your email list healthy and compliant. When a profile is suppressed in Klaviyo, that person will not receive your email marketing, even if they are in a list or would normally qualify for a flow. This is useful when you have a set of contacts you need to stop emailing, such as people who opted out elsewhere, internal team addresses, or contacts you want to exclude for deliverability reasons. To get started, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the main navigation. Click Audience and then select Profiles. This area shows you the people in your account and the data Klaviyo has stored for each profile. Next, go to the top right of the Profiles page and click Suppressed Profile. This takes you into the suppression area, where you can manage who is blocked from receiving emails. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, since suppression is a global setting and it impacts future sends. Now click Upload a File. You will be prompted to choose a CSV file from your computer. Your CSV should contain the contacts you want to suppress. For the smoothest upload, make sure the file is in standard CSV format and that your email addresses are all in one clear column. It also helps to remove extra spaces and keep the header row simple, so mapping is easy. After you select your CSV, Klaviyo will ask you to map the fields. Map the email column to the email field in Klaviyo. This step matters because Klaviyo needs to know exactly which column contains the email addresses it should suppress. Double-check that you mapped the correct column, especially if your CSV has multiple fields. When everything looks correct, click Suppress Profiles. Klaviyo will process the file and apply suppression to those profiles. Once it completes, those contacts will be prevented from receiving email communications going forward. That covers everything you need to know.